Alright, so this is for a 2017 Hyundai Tucson 1.6T, a 1.6 liter turbocharged engine, and all I'm doing is replacing the PCV valve. I've already kind of got it started, but it's simply moving the cover, and then you have your PCV right here, and you have your hose that connects. You gotta get some get needle nose pliers or whatever you got and pinch it together and wiggle it back. So I've wiggled it back, it's off of there, and I got a replacement the same as my Veloster turbo. It's Micro Guard at O'Reilly's, PCV 266. I've used this on my Veloster for 103,000 miles. Not the same one, of course, but I've rotated them every 10 to 15,000 miles, and I could tell you it's just so easy to replace and do yourself. But it's preventative maintenance as well. This thing in here, it's supposed to be wiggly like that. Sometimes people will have stuff gunked up in here and they try to clean it and do this and that. That's stupid. Just buy a new one and get rid of the old one. So I have to take this off. I see there's a rubber grommet on here or something. I'm gonna have to get it off. It looks like it's getting off, but I'll let you know what you'll need to actually unbolt this. So give me a second. Alright, so I got obviously the tube off, the nipple. I had to get a, what is this, a 3/16. Literally, you just put it over this guy and you go away. Start pulling away. This one's already out, so job's pretty much halfway done. This is the old one. Not sure the part number. At the dealership, they were offering $25 for this stupid little thing. Sorry, I'm trying to see if I can get in there. Doesn't look like I can. Anyways, it looks a little gunked up in there. I get oil changes every 4,000 miles. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum only. That's the only oil I use for all my cars. But this is the replacement right here. Fram FV266, PCV 266. Don't get confused by the image on the front, because this is actually what comes out. I mean, they look the same other than color. Materials, for some reason this one just seems, the new one seems a little bit more solid. I'm not sure if this is two different types of metals on the old one, like copper and just metal. This is just straight metal, so yeah, that's not good. But I'm going to install it, and then I'll let you know how it's done after this. Alright, so the new PCV is installed. I tied it as much as I could without over threading anything. There's this little grommet piece that goes over this. Simply slide over it. And we bring back the hose, and we get this guy, and we put it in there. I can do it as much as I can with my finger, but now I'm going to need the needle nose pliers. And shimmy it on up there. Boom. Should be good. Got this little grommet, you can put it over there, and we're set.